Percentage increase and decrease. The textbook calls this percent of change. The important formula to remember is this fraction of change, which is simply the change divided by the original. Okay? If you can remember that, then that will give you everything you need to do to solve these sort of problems. Take a look at this question. A daily dosage increases from 4 tablets to 5 tablets. What is the percent change in daily dosage? Okay, so in order to do this, we need to remember that formula. Okay, the percent of change formula, which says that we want to have the change over the original. Alright, so let's take a look at what this question says. We're changing from 4 tablets to 5 tablets. So how much of a change is that? Well, okay, it's pretty obvious to see that it's 1, but in the long run, we're always going to want to subtract the big number from the small number. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And what was the original? Well, we started at 4 tablets, so that's our original. So the fraction that we get is 1/4. Now, hopefully you know that 1/4 is 0.25, or as a percent, that's 25%. Alright, so there's one question done. So we could now say the dosage has increased by 1/4, or we could say it's increased by 25%. Let's try this question. A person was drinking 40 ounces of fluid per day, but this was reduced to 10 ounces of fluid per day. So what's the percent change in fluid intake? Okay, so we're starting at 40 ounces, but this was reduced to 10. So what's the change? Well, we have 40 minus 10. That's our change. And we're going to take that change and divide it by what the original was. So the original was 40. So 40 minus 10 is 30. So we're looking at 30 over 40, or in lowest terms, we can cancel out those zeros and have 3/4. Now 3/4, converting that to a percentage, 1/4 is 25%. Multiply that by 3 to get 3/4 is 75%. Okay, so this is a 75% decrease in fluid intake.
Alright, so that covers increases and decreases for percentages, so percentage change we've done. Excellent.